The pain never leave me. My days in the hospital for 5 months was like, my first 4 months was like vegetable. It never be so easy for me.
Yeah.
It was headache, stress, pain.
Yeah.
Even my family them give up on me.
Yeah.
But God never give up.
My Jamaican family. Today from the bustling streets of Montego Bay, down at the market, I bring you a remarkable story. Story of a young man who defied the odds, become an inspiration to all of us. He actually had a major accident at a younger age, but came back, bouncing back, and has been a beacon of strength and resilience. His name is Jerry, and he's a popular in the market here. I'm going to share his story with you right now. First though, I should remind you that for whatever reason, if you're not yet a part of my Jamheart family, I invite you to join us. I'm on a journey to share what I call the real Jamaica. The real people of Jamaica. People like him. And in this special Overcomer series, I'm speaking and highlighting people like him. And I don't want you to miss any of that. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you now to do so. Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way, stay updated on all my latest videos. Let's go to Jerry and his remarkable story. Jerry, how you doing, man?
Not too bad.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I am intrigued by your story, guys. We had a little chat before, so I have a little understanding of what transpired. But for the benefit of you, I'm gonna ask Jerry to tell us, Jerry, what transpired, what happened on the day of that accident.
I was excited. Come to the market, running cats, bring people around, leave and say I gotta go and do a work for someone. After that, go and climb around like 6 coconut tree. To me, my body was tired.
Yeah.
So, lose balance off of one and fall off. It was like 30 feet tall.
30 feet?
30 feet tall.
Oh, yeah.
So after that day, now I was
Where was that? The country?
That was in Jansal.
Jansal, oh.
Yeah. So after that day, after my fall, I was like just listening to the doctors. Go to the hospital first. Start to listen to the doctors. Hear that I got a spinal cord injury. Hear that like 3 of my ribs broke, my neck fracture. I'm like, really? I don't know what to do.
You must have been in a lot of pain, man.
It was like a lot of, well, at first, never been a lot of pain. Until days.
Oh.
Until days. Well, listen to the doctors, nurses, and start to learn about myself.
Yeah.
I was just like thinking about if I'm gonna die.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Or if I'm gonna live.
Yeah.
So I don't know if I'm gonna die, but at the end of the day, each time someone come on me for the day,
yeah,
I was like the happiest person.
So that was at the hospital. So you were in the hospital?
I was at the hospital for 5 months.
5 months?
Cornwall Original.
5 months.
My days in the hospital for 5 months was like, my first 4 months was like vegetable. I remember that each time I wanted to move from places to another places, it was like porter have to lift me up in a sheet, transfer me from places to places.
Even bathroom or bed and stuff?
Well, as I say, I was like a vegetable.
Yeah.
So I don't know when I do anything. Don't know when I pee, don't know when I pass my feces.
Yeah.
Wow. So I have to wear like a pampas.
Yeah, for 5 months.
For like 5 months.
Yeah.
Well, not for like 5 months because, as I say, I've been in the hospital for 5 months.
Yeah.
But after my 5 months in the hospital, I go to Mona Rehab. To Mona rehabilitation center. We are going to do physiotherapy up there to gain strength or I don't really know, but to acknowledge other things. You get me? So when I leave the hospital, original and go to Montreal, well, I got a little faith at that time in myself. Like I wish I could have walked again because
Sorry.
I wish if I could have walked again.
Walk again.
Yeah, because I go there to see people in worse a situation than me.
Oh Lord, at Mona.
At Mona.
Yeah.
So when I really go up there at Mona, I spend like I get 6 months signing at Mona. Well, my first month experience was like go to the gym, go and do like exercise, morning time, experience a lot of different kind of exercise. But you know, every exercise comes with a lot of pain because you know your body is not like your body. It's a body like a baby, or even worse than a baby.
As it is after the accident.
After the accident.
Yeah.
So every move is what like pain for me. The 6 months when they give me there, I complete the exercise in 4 months time. Can do a lot of things like to go to the bathroom by myself, go in my wheelchair, come out of my chair, go in my chair by myself. Any exercise me get, me always complete it. So they start to tell me about going home. That is a different feelings again.
Yeah.
Because you are here, you are around doctors and nurses for
4 months.
9 months.
Oh, 9 months. Yeah.
And then they say go home. You have to go home now.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about, well, because I meet friends there. So they told me that if they go home, they're gonna die.
That's what your friends telling?
That's some of the friends there.
So I can imagine.
So I'm thinking about the same thing. But you know, my counselor at Mona Rehab and the doctors them over there, they always come on, they talk to me. I was a family man.
Yeah.
Live with a girlfriend. Get a daughter when I was like 21 years old. So I was thinking about my baby mother and my daughter. Knowing that she's like 1 year old, 8 months at the time when that happened to me. So like I never have nothing on my mind but just have my daughter on my mind, knowing that I'm gonna die.
Yeah.
If I'm gonna die tomorrow. I was thinking about that for the whole 9 months I was in the hospital.
So you were thinking about, you're concerned about die, but it was a spinal and so injury. So you think that would still, you're concerned that it would still kill you?
Well, I'm getting to that part.
All right, go ahead and serve the customer.
How much? 100. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Well, I'm getting to that part.
Yeah.
All right. Leave the hospital, get home. Get closer to my baby mother and my daughter.
Yeah.
Knowing that me can see them now. Them don't have to travel to come to Kingston anymore, come look for me.
Yeah.
My family don't have to come to Kingston, come look for me now. Me already dead home.
Yeah.
Well, mom, now got a big sister now. She's the one who was there for me. She's the one who tell me that I'm not gonna make a die.
What you say?
She's the one who told me that I'm not gonna make a die.
Yeah. Okay.
I always spend the money on you just to say if you could live.
Yeah.
Knowing that I'm thinking about I want to live, but I'm still thinking about the situation.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened to me.
Yeah.
Even though I'm learning about myself, I still don't know, because knowing that you don't know when you want to pass the feces.
Yeah.
Don't know when you want to pee.
So even after 9 months, after the 5+4?
After the 5+4, still thinking about myself and my situation.
No, I mean in terms of control of your body, in terms of when you want to pass the pee. You still never have control over that?
Still don't have control over that.
Okay.
Still.
Yeah.
All right. So leave the hospital leave the rehab, 9 months time,
Yeah.
go home. Alright. Knowing that I'm gonna live with my bigger sister now.
Yeah.
Because I'm not go around no girlfriend anymore.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna live with a bigger sister.
Yeah.
Alright, and going home now start to experience a different kind of life. Because
In a family home now.
in my family home.
Yeah.
Alright. Friends and family come around look for me. Sometimes they give me money, I don't know what to do with it. So I'm just always thinking about when how me gonna go outside. I have a wheelchair, but we don't have no space. We don't have no, the yard don't set up for me. So everything gonna be, if anything will happen now, if me go outside, well, my sister will create something for me now. My sister to talk like, friends come and visit me and then say, yo, I'm gonna take you outside. Go outside, sit under a tree, talking to friends and laugh, but they don't know that I'm thinking about the same problem.
Yeah.
If I'm gonna die.
Yeah.
Alright. Living around my family for the first year, still in pain. Second year, still in pain. Third year, still in pain. Fourth year, still in pain.
Oh.
Because my doctor told me in Monterey, say, if I live over 5 years,
Yeah.
nature will heal my body, but at the end of the day, I have to believe
Yeah.
in myself.
Yeah.
I believe in the Almighty.
Yeah.
So I was like praying daily.
Yeah.
Believe that one day I could move my toe.
Yeah.
I believe that one day I could feel my feet.
Yeah.
When the 5 year came, I was like excited for 5 year because I don't die.
Yeah, 'cause that was what the doctor tell you.
Yeah, because a lot of my friends them die.
Oh, really?
As soon as them go home. We did have 3 friends who we meet in Monterey, and them was the person who there was my friend because we in the same situation. So my old friends them who walk on their feet, they just come like no friend for me anymore. So the one who we in the same situation, they are my friends. So we talk like daily.
Yeah.
So when we hear a family call and say, you know, say Kurt die, or Kingsley die, or Kemar die, I said to myself, so they're gonna die next.
When is your time, eh?
And when is my time?
Yeah.
Because all of my friends them die. So when is my time? My sister give me a start, going out, sell phone card, sell weed, sell cigarettes. Go out on the road. My sister likes to start to organize our yard. That's me could have go out by myself and come in by myself. But at the end of the day, for my 5 year, still in pain.
Yeah. Yeah.
The pain never leave me.
Yeah.
But I was fighting. I was fighting. Fighting for the better day. Every year come myself to myself say I would want to do something better.
Yeah.
Well, the greatest thing was I got around 2 of my nephew. They were my motivator. They was my motivator, they was my strength because they take care of me like say, no, I'm here the little brother now in the house.
Yeah.
So it come like each time I call them and say, hey, we need a little help or a little assistant.
Yeah.
They was the one to run for me because my sister is a working person.
Yeah.
We live with my brother-in-law, he is a working person same way. But my nephew them going to school at the same time.
Yeah.
So I was like in the house for like, if they leave me in the house, I'll just stay in the house for the whole day. But there is a friend or some family will come and visit me. But like when I want to come out of the house, I have to wait till like my nephew them come from school. There's the one who say, alright, gonna help you. Get you out and help you go back in. So each time I see them around me, I always feel good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like my other friends them on their feet, we talk with them, yes, but I was still thinking about the same situation. Because the pain make me feel like I prefer die.
Yeah.
I'm still feeling the pain.
So what So the 5 year came when you were still alive. I will give God thanks for that. You're still alive. What now? What happened after you realize you're still alive? And your cousins were there supporting you. Was it at that point that you decided that you're going to start something, start a little business and start the market?
Well, as I said, I was there home. I was there home trying something at the same time.
Yeah, oh yeah, you were doing a little, yes.
Selling some
Yeah, I understand. Cigarette and then some.
cigarettes, phone card and stuff. But no matter the situation you're in, there is some people who always try to come around you.
Yeah.
Just say things and try to owe you same way.
God mercy.
So they come like each time the business rise, you don't stay up.
Yeah.
Because each time you want to buy goods, each time you want to buy goods, the money
100.
The money can't come in.
100.
Thank you. The money can't come in, so 6 year come.
There goes a customer guy just buy garlic from my brother here.
Jerry?
I'm Jerry, yeah. So 6 years, sorry, yeah.
2017. See, alright, my business, where did I do? Up by country. I'm gonna stop that. Go to the market and try something new. When I come to the market, I was so shy, so scared. Wondering to myself if people gonna support me, knowing that I'm sitting in a wheelchair. But when I come out here and start to say I'm gonna do selling, I started to sell garlic. And I realized that people were supporting me a lot. So I started to get a motivation from people.
Yes.
My mind down there and nothing negative again.
Yeah.
Because my brain come like it open up to the environment of people now.
Yeah.
Knowing that I'm in a wheelchair, but people is there for me.
Yeah.
You get me?
It was a regular wheelchair at the point.
It was a regular wheelchair at the time.
Yeah. And now it's more like a tricycle kind of thing.
Yeah.
This is custom made now, this one here.
Yes.
Yeah. I ran into a customer pass through. This customer apparently is a regular here for Jerry. What's your name? Paula. And you how long have you been supporting Jerry and his stuff?
Well, not long, but if you have what you want me buy from him, but
do you know of his story? Or you just
no.
Jerry never tell her his story. But what do you think about him and what he's doing? He had a major accident, but
okay, I like him a do good. More than good for himself right now in a condition when because a lot of young people, like maybe PPH now do nothing.
Yeah.
And him sick and him still a come out from
still
work,
a push.
so he's still a push, so
alright. Yeah man, they are supporting him. Continue the love and support. All the best here?
Yeah man.
Up. Alright. Yeah. But the people support you, yes. Sorry, yeah.
So I break like 3 wheelchair or probably 2 wheelchair by selling garlic only and like some Thai scallion. So I really want to be here like every day because it was time when I have to depend on people for things.
Yes.
And
but this give you a sense of freedom. Not just to be able to get food on the table for yourself, but your mind as well, to free your mind. When you're here, you feel better. Yeah.
I was trying to be a little bit more independent.
Yeah.
By trying to help myself more, knowing that I can help myself go in my chair.
Yeah.
Like tidy up my house, wash my own clothes.
Yeah.
When I come on my yard, knowing that me in a wheelchair, you have to wonder say,
yeah.
A female looks up.
Yeah.
When I'm cooking my food, people like, hey, liquor. Because that is my twin name.
Okay.
Because I'm a twin.
Okay.
So they call me liquor because my brother Biggie.
Okay.
So when people pass my house and I'm cooking, people like, yo, liquor want some. I'm like, when you finish, nobody in my community, once they come on me, they're not afraid to eat from me.
Yeah.
Once me I cook.
Because you still do surprise a lot of people with the way you do.
Yes. When I wash my clothes, the only problem I have with it is to spread them on the lines.
Yeah.
So I do things to motivate myself.
Yes.
You get me? So
what is a typical day in the market here like?
Friday and Saturday is the busiest day in the market.
Yeah.
Alright. sometimes I sell garlic and I sell scallion. There are days when I sell garlic only. Because, as me say, on a Friday and a Saturday, there's people, once the market run on a good level, like people get paid and come to do shopping, I can sell like 10 bag of garlic, 15 bag of garlic for the day.
Okay. You get the support like that. And this is a bag. This is a bag right here.
This is a bag right here.
Okay.
So, on a Saturday, I will sell like 10 bag of garlic.
Yeah.
On a Friday, I will sell like 4 or 3.
Yeah.
Sometime 5 bag, less to all the day run.
Yeah. Guys, guess what happened? This is Mr. What's the name?
Stuart.
Mr. Stuart, and this is, you're actually the uncle of Jerry.
Yeah.
The literal uncle. Yeah. And you would have seen you would have been a part of his journey. You know what happened?
Yes,
The accident.
Yes.
How did that affect you? What do you think about all of that? How will it affect you guys?
I was a tree, man, jump off a tree and go to hospital and back out and went to churches and all them way. Then we get healing, but you know, work out. It's still gone.
Yeah.
First some money lay down in a bed, but it's a man that still get 2 inch, 2 inch, and me.
Still, you not give up?
Nah, give up.
And you admire him for that as a nephew?
Yes, man, respect you to it.
Every time.
Yeah.
All right, uncle.
Yes, man.
Blessed man.
Yes,
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Where is your you normally ride and sell or you stay one place?
Sometimes I ride and sell
Sometimes you stay one place.
sometimes, alright, in the morning I ride and sell.
Yeah.
Because normally me like to free my belly muscle. Because sometimes I got spasm in my legs them. That is all about that trigger nerves. That is just all about the nerves. Trigger the spasm at times.
Yeah.
So sometimes my legs them like fight me, like they want to fight me. So to me, my body, nature and nerves fight them one another. Sometimes I don't have any control to my lower body.
Okay.
What me try to do? I get up this morning and I come a road. It was like up the road, down the road. So I make sure I like drink a cup of tea to keep my belly warm. Each time I drink a tea to make my belly warm, the spasm down trigger off.
Okay.
You get me? Once my body cold, like if the morning cold, we don't have any control over it.
Yeah, that's what I was going to ask you, if you still have any issues at this point. Apart from the fact that you're not obviously not mobile, you just have to use it. But I was going to ask you if you have any other complication on a daily basis apart from that. So it's really just the spasms now you have. You can,
only the spasm, because I don't really feel pain like first.
Yeah. Okay. And do you still do therapy?
Well, I don't do therapy in years.
Okay.
Actually, 12 years now since I have a therapy. But I would like to do back physiotherapy.
Because with the hope as that physiotherapy can help you get back.
Can help me get back.
That's what the doctors say.
So, alright, normally, like my situation, I reach to a point right now where I can stand up on a walker.
You say you can?
I can stand up on a walker. But I don't want to stand up and jump and hurt myself. So I don't want to do it on my own.
Yeah.
I would rather to be around a physiotherapy to give me that kind of exercise or that timing to do physiotherapy.
Yeah. Still looking to get an equipment or some sort of unit, or just a physiotherapy?
Well, normally, my only open life for me right now is just to get the chance to be around on my feet again.
Yeah.
So it's like no wheelchair. No wheelchair. Like, you don't want to, I don't really use a wheelchair because I have to use it now. But each time I see the wheelchair, I don't feel good about it.
Yeah.
But I know that we don't take that to nobody.
Yeah.
Problem, we make that problem in mind.
Yeah.
Because the thing about it, I may hurt myself.
Yeah.
So I just try to make some of my problems stay with me and don't try to share it with other people.
Yeah.
But being around a wheelchair and doing something for yourself, it is so good.
So right now, if there's somebody who is watching who wants to, because basically it's physiotherapy you want now to get back on your feet. It is possible, basically, you're saying, right?
Yes.
It is possible, is what the doctors are saying. You can get back on your feet, but it's going to take physiotherapy, which is quite some money. If there's anybody who is watching who might be interested in reaching out to you, do you have a phone number?
My phone number is 771 6295.
6295.
Yeah.
876-771-6295. All right, Jerry Woodstock.
Yeah.
Woodstock. Is there what message I salute you. Sir, I salute you. For
brother.
I go on fire.
See you come here and try to take care of all of my woman them, you know.
Oh, what one man this do?
What now I'm not deal with them man, see woman them behind. Woman them say you take them my family.
Big up Rasta man.
No, man.
But Rasta man upon TV.
I see you know shop on for me.
Big up Rasta man. Alright, man.
Alright,
Yeah, man, respect, yeah.
Come here and tell me, yeah.
No, me know I go, man. Me know it. I say I go. I say I live.
Alright, brother.
Yeah, man. If there's anybody, my brother, who is facing some level of adversity, some trials and struggles right now, especially with your experience and what you have gone through and how you overcome it, and now running your own little business, you still have a little way to go to get back 100%, but you have shown the grit and determination to live your life. What message, what word did you have to tell them now who give up and who don't have no hope?
If you can find a way to build faith in yourself,
Build the faith. Yeah.
and just try to pray
Yeah.
or get to the Bible,
Yeah.
read
Yeah.
and learn.
Yeah.
Read and learn about the Almighty,
Yeah.
and then try to build faith in God,
Yeah.
and then you have to just believe in everything. Say, one day things gonna be better for me.
Yeah.
But the other thing again, you can just sit down
Yeah.
and say something gonna be better for me.
Yeah.
If your hands them strong
Yeah.
and your legs them failure,
Yeah.
you have to find a way to fight life.
Yeah. Do something with the hands. If you have the hands.
Do something with your hands.
I like that.
I was a person who, well, last Saturday it was 13 years since
Yeah. Since the accident.
I made my accident. Every September
Yeah.
and the 16th,
Boy,
I
the man remember the very
bad.
date. Yeah.
I feel so bad.
Yeah.
I can remember what happened to me.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, I really live over that time, man. Sister, it's been 13 years
Yeah.
since my accident, but we're still living.
Yeah. God be the glory.
It never be so easy for me.
Yeah.
It was headache, stress,
Yeah.
pain.
Yeah.
Even my family them give up on me.
Yeah.
But God never give up.
Yeah.
He was still fighting.
Yeah.
I was still fighting and he was helping me.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So just have faith in the Almighty
Yeah.
and try to fight. If you want to live,
Yeah.
just fight.
That's the message. And keep the faith. Get the
Faith.
Bible. And I love your recommendation, man. Your journey has truly touched my heart, and I hope is an inspiration to many who are watching. Guys, if you have been inspired, and I'm gonna encourage you to share this video with someone. Encourage someone. This gentleman, as you heard, has gone through, defied the odds, basically left to die, and he's making a life out of it and inspiring others. Remind me again, if persons who are interested, who want to reach out to you whether for a word of advice or if they feel led to help you to get some physiotherapy, man. One more time, share the number again, 876-771.
6295.
And the name is
Jerry Woodstock.
Jerry Woodstock, guys. Jerry Woodstock, guys, in the market. Matter of fact, guys, I have something in the works. You're gonna hear a little bit more about that, but this Overcomer series has inspired me in a lot of ways, and look forward to some more good things to come. I'm working on a special project that's gonna address some of these issues. Stay tuned. The remarkable story of this man, Jerry, who defeated the odds to become an inspiration for all of us. I need you to do two things. One, like this video, and two, share it with somebody. Share it now and inspire someone. There's another video you need to see. That lady is winsome and her overcoming cancer through 3 surgeries. There's a link in the description and it's in the card above. See you in that one.